What's up, everybody? There's another little update video. We're doing a lot of little small things and on this car. This is just for the thumbnail, so you guys have something to look at. But been painting, wire wheeling, POR at the frame. Did a semi-gloss on this frame part. The back part we did the gloss. Still got to paint the rear end. Everything wire wheeled it, rust treated it, soaked it. The spoiler, I'm just gonna want to build a new one. This one I'm gonna just put it back together. Let somebody else worry about that. But got all the new wheel studs, 7/16 by 20. So just got that. Bought all brand new chrome lug nuts for it. And the fuel tank right here, just started cleaning all this. I gotta clean it, pressure test it, and then that's gonna get blasted and painted. So that way this will be, let me see if I can put this up here. I gotta put a little tack weld on this and dolly this piece out because it's got a little ding in it. And I can finish painting that part. That's why I didn't paint that. I ordered the new steering wheel for it, so that'll be in, I guess, within a week or so. The other car, here's the other car. So like this bracket, painted with the nickel cadmium paint. It holds the air filter box, which has already been blasted and painted. This frame, I'm not going to do any paint work to it yet because it's actually pretty nice and it's still shiny. Maybe later after I get all running and driving. These are some of the lug nuts I got for it. Got the new brake line. I got to put a flare on here. Get two soft lines made with the stainless. I'll send another video. I did get it running. I got a caddy dash here. I'm gonna do some fiberglass on for a low rider, but this tank, you can see, I mean, it's shiny and everything. I ran into a little problem trying to fit these wheels up here. The studs are too short for these wheels, so I can't use these lug nuts. I got to get some with a thin shoulder that'll, you know, hold these on there. Then I can roll with those. I did look up the center caps for these wheels. It seems like all of the wheels had these spinners back in the day. These Anson, they're made of plastic spinners. So I'm missing one for this car. The other car is missing all of the spinners. So I'm gonna try and get a couple sets of them, but they're like $150 for like some used ones without even the hub pieces, just the spinners themselves. So, I mean, they're proud of them suckers. But I did finish getting the brake lines made up here, you know, with this. So I'm gonna buy one more of these for the other car and try to do the brakes on that car so it's a good roller with working brakes before I sell it. Because it's easier for me to make it since I'm doing it for two cars, and it'll help the next person out, whoever gets that car. As for the carburetor, it's a piece of junk. I cleaned it, rebuilt it. It barely runs even with a squirt bottle. I mean, of course I didn't have the fuel pump hooked up to it, but even hand feeding this thing with 2-stroke oil, should have been running a little better than that. Probably needs apex seals or something. I don't know. I'm in the process of getting like a 670 exciter, or maybe if anything 600-700cc snowmobile engine that I can get a turnkey that's either been a rebuild or just ready to go. I don't want to have to do anything other than put it on and roll with it, you know. I mean, it does run. It's just not. I don't want to mess with it. I just want to rock and roll, put a new one on, and go. These wheels, put them in the blast cabinet. These are the ones that were on the yellow car. So I just put some epoxy primer, some PPG, DPLF. I think it was DP. And then we did 3 of them. The 4th one's got holes in it so bad that I don't even know what to do. I mean, I can spend many hours and get some like 14 gauge. Let's see here, 14 gauge or thicker 11 gauge metal. I don't know what gauge these are, but you can see, I mean, they got freaking hole all the way through it. And I would like to have it fixed though. I don't have any other wheels. But, I mean, I got one set for each car. That's the one set. And then the blue car's got a whole set of blue wheels for it. And then I got those ones that, if you watch my other videos, these, with the new tires on them, that I don't want to use yet. It's kind of just going to be for display when I bring it to the car shows. So, I really could use one extra wheel. Anybody watching this video has any steel wheels for the back like that, the 5-lug, send me a message, you know. I would definitely buy it from you. And this car's got a dashboard. The other car didn't have a dashboard. And another thing, this spoiler on this one's made of metal. The other car's made out of aluminum. But I'm gonna just remake them out of aluminum. They look better, they won't corrode like this. It's just thin, like 22 gauge. And then I got blue pop rivets. I bought painted pop rivets, 1/8 inch. So that way I can do it aluminum with some blue pop rivets. It'll look nice. And then these I'll just wet sand and polish on the bench buffer and some bruise, and them suckers will look brand new too. But well, it's just a little update. I don't want to keep rambling on, but I just want to kind of, I know everybody's been kind of asking me about it, when's the next video and all that, so just a little update. Just been blasting parts basically and trying to get stack parts for it too. So just want to say one more thing. Don't forget, hit that like button and hit the thumbs up, and hit that little notification bell to let you know next time when I make one of these videos, so you don't miss out. Not that it's anything super crazy, but hey, it's all cool and fun working on these things. So if you have any questions or concerns, hit me up. You know, I will be selling one of these cars, you know. Just a matter of time now. I mean, I'm pretty close to selling one, so message me if you're interested. Located in Louisiana. Y'all have a good one. Peace.